Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance for beginners. We'll start by understanding the core elements of this dynamic dance style. First, find your ready stance, which is crucial for balance and quick transitions. Focus on distributing your weight evenly, keeping your knees slightly bent and your core engaged. This foundational posture will give you the stability needed for every move we cover. Top rock is your standing dance, the first impression you make. Begin with basic steps like the Indian step, moving your feet in a rhythmic pattern. Pay close attention to the music, letting the beat guide your movements and add your personal flair. Practice transitioning smoothly between different top rock variations, aiming for a fluid and confident flow before you hit the floor. Now let's get down to the floor with essential footwork. The sixth step is a cornerstone move. Practice moving your legs in a circular motion while supporting yourself with your hands. Keep your body low to the ground, maintaining a strong core for control and agility. Focus on smooth, continuous movement, seamlessly transitioning from your top rock into your footwork. Freezes add dynamic stops to your routine, showcasing strength and balance. Start with the baby freeze, supporting your body with your head and hands, holding the pose for a few seconds. Developing strong core muscles is vital for all freezes and power moves. Practice controlled movements, focusing on precision and stability rather than speed, ensuring both safety and impressive style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.